Well, we're just waiting here in the line at the stoplight. Oh, hey you, this is me, AD, with Novi Outdoors. Thank you for stopping by. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. This point of discussion is I'm on my way to work, because I do still work a 9 to 5, well 9 to 6 rather. They snuck another hour in there somehow, but either way, I love what I do. I'm on my way in, and I was thinking, why do you fish? Why do people fish? Why do I fish? Why should you fish? And the better things I came up with was, this is a great point of discussion for newcomers to figure out why it is fishing is so great. And now, if you ask me, it's great because I know it's great because I do it all the time. So it's really no question to me. But it's identifying what makes it so good for the new guys out there. Now, I tell you, I got into fishing seriously during that whole pandemic thing. And, you know, it's been a godsend ever since, because it's given me something to do. It's given me peace, and it's given me energy. It's given me something to look forward to. I love being out on the water. I love listening to the bird song early in the morning. And it's really relaxing. So if you're going through anything that you just need some time to relax and just get out and away from all the troubles that life has to offer, because there sure is a lot, buddy, I tell you what, and you got to learn how to manage that. So fishing is one great way to do it. So I want to know why you fish. You guys watching this video, I want you to leave some comments so we can carry on this discussion, so we can help some new guys really discover what it is we love so much about this sport, and, you know, identify why they should get into it as well, the benefits of it, and how that's going to make them feel moving on. Fishing is a great skill to have. I'm telling you that right now, because if the worst comes to worst and you need to put food on the table, if you don't know how to fish, well, you better learn, because fish is a great source of protein and energy. So with all that being said, I'm going to leave that with you here today, and I want you guys to comment if you want to comment and tell us why you like to fish and why other people should pick it up if they haven't yet. And if you haven't already, just maybe hit that subscribe button. If you like the stuff we're talking about here today, then you know, I'd like you to get more involved. And if you hit that little bell, it's going to notify you every time I put out one of these little thought-provoking little questions here. So that'd be great if you join in on this community, because that's what it's all about, bringing everybody together. And remember, in the beginning, we all had to start somewhere. Have a great day, everybody. Thank you for stopping by, and we'll talk to you soon.